Hello lovely people, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you download WhatsApp Business into your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Play Store application. Firstly, you have to open your Play Store application, and after going to Play Store, just simply click to this search button into the top of the app. Step 2. Search WhatsApp Business. Now after coming to Play Store application, you just simply have to search WhatsApp Business in here. And after searching WhatsApp Business, you can see this WhatsApp Business app into Google Play Store. Step 3. Install the application. Now after opening the WhatsApp Business application into Play Store, just simply click to this install button here. Now after doing this, WhatsApp Business will successfully be downloaded into your device depending on your network connection. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.